Plants have different watering needs and a diverse tolerance to spraying leaves. Fortunately, there are plenty of different types of sprinklers which facilitate watering, and it is easy to choose the ones that are best suited to our garden. The basic division distinguishes hose nozzles and hand sprinklers. The high-quality adjustable hose nozzle is characterized by a smooth, non-gradual water stream regulation, from strong jet to delicate mist. The multifunctional sprinkler offers also the possibility of watering with light or heavy shower stream. Moreover, the Safe Touch system provides a reliable grip and comfort of use, and protects all the sprinklers against accidental damage. Another type of hand sprinklers are the so-called guns. They are more comfortable to hold and offer regulation of not only the water flow strength but also its type. All the high-quality sprinklers are characterized by an ergonomic shape. The hand sprinkler allows for an intuitive regulation from strong jet to delicate mist. And the multifunctional hand sprinkler additionally adjusts the stream to heavy or light shower. Legible markings on the 4 functional hand sprinkler ease the choice of water stream: shower, beaded, jet, and flat. Therefore, we can easily water plants on beds and rebates, as well as the ones in pots. When buying the hand sprinkler, we should pay attention to the hang-up system, which enables the sprinkler to be hung anywhere. The useful Safe Touch system provides a reliable grip and comfort of use also for wet hands. What is more, the system protects the sprinkler against accidental damages and scratches, for example the ones resulting from falling. A hand sprinkler should also have legible markings that ease the choice of suitable type of water stream, and the water strength regulation should be smooth and intuitive. The multifunctional and 4 functional hand sprinklers offer also the possibility of dismantling and cleaning the strainer. This is recommended in the case of watering with hard water or rainwater, which may contain impurities. From time to time, it is worth cleaning the strainer of limescale and impurities, so we can enjoy a delicate stream and keep the sprinkler fully functional. Shape ergonomics, innovation, and the highest quality of workmanship are the strengths of the whole Ergo watering line, which includes also rotating sprinklers, lances, connectors, hose quick connectors, extension connectors, repairers, distributors, and a garden shower. This is evidenced by the prestigious Red Dot Award 2015 granted for the Ergo line products. The sprinklers are designed with a Safe Touch and hang-up systems, and the elements of the clamping mechanism in hose quick connectors are made of stainless steel. It ensures resistance to corrosion and the long-term use. All components of the Ergo watering system are compatible with accessories and garden sprinklers of other brands, therefore marked as a universal fit. When watering plants in the garden, we need to remember that the soil should be moist in the root system area, which is at a depth of 10 to 20 centimetres. It is therefore good to water plants less often but thoroughly. Thanks to the sprinklers, we can smooth change the way of watering depending on the needs. Moreover, they will work well not only in watering but also in washing or cleaning various surfaces, bicycles, furniture or small garden architecture.